Yo, what is up guys, TechRay here, and today we're back for another video guys, and today we're going to be unboxing the Razer Kraken headset. It's in the green and black colorway. I think it looks really nice, so let's get started. It looks pretty premium. It has this flap. I already cut the tape off because we don't want to have that trouble. Alright, so let's get this unboxing done. So I'll show you a different. Alright, let's get this unboxing done. Oh, don't mind this. Oh, exercise. Get that out of here. Oh. Alright. So you open it with this. There's little. Ooh. Foam. There's foam here. Okay, so there's this part right here. It says for gamers, by gamers. Alright, so the headset is put in this little thing. The wire is clipped onto this little thing. And pull it out. Hold up. Alright, put it to the side. Unclip this wire. Okay, so you can either plug it into one little jack, and there's a little microphone thing to where you can plug it into a mic and headphone. So yeah, that's for a computer, but since I don't have my computer built yet, so I'm just gonna leave it right there. Let's put this to the side and look at this bad boy. Let's look at the headset right here. So it has squishy, I think it's memory foam, and yeah, squishy memory foam, ear cups. It has cooling gel inside so your ears won't get wet. Alright, so this is the fit on the head. I do have a pretty big head, so I need to put that down a little bit. Dang, I can barely hear my voice. Imagine this with audio. Dang. It looks pretty big on my head. It looks like, I look like a pilot. The braided cable, that's nice. And a mic mute switch right here. It doesn't do fast. Volume up and down right here. Yep, that's that. And yeah, I'm gonna plug this into something and play some beats. By the way, the cooling gel works really good. My ears are very cold. First, let's talk about this mic. This is the mic quality. So yeah, yeah. I'll look over it again and see how it sounds. The mic quality sounds pretty nice. And tell me in the comments below what you think. So now let's play. I'm gonna play some music and then let you hear it too. I'm gonna do that because I can't find a way to do that. Just tell you how it sounds. Is that okay? Is that okay, bud? It sounds really nice and very comfortable. It sounds really nice. The bass is good. The highs are good. And it will be great for gaming. So, and since it's comfortable right here on the headband and on the ear cups, so you can have long sessions for gaming. Yeah. I wouldn't do that too much because I'm scared. I want to get a new one. The metal, there's metal right here, so it won't break. You know how plastic ones, they would break. So over time, and there's little like measurements to see the precise measurement that you want on your head. So yeah, there's little girls right here. I'm not sure if that. I'm not sure if that does anything. It has a cable management strap right here. Yeah, to like wrap it up if there's too much cable length, you know, long. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. This is TechRay. Peace. Sponsor me, Razer.